Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today I'm showing you guys how to play this wonderful Radiohead song, Karma Police. We basically have three parts. We got the main verses, we got the main chorus, and then we have the outro. The intro is very similar to the verses, just a little bit different. Okay, let's get to it. And this is not for beginners. We got bar chords and stuff happening, so I'm just gonna assume you know most of the chords. Song is in A minor, standard tuning. A, so let's do the intro. A minor, F sharp over D, E minor, G major. A minor, F sharp over D, E minor, G major. Then we do that again, A minor. This time we're going to go to F major, E minor, G. Again, A minor, F sharp over D. So remember these chords because this is part of the main verses. And then for the intro here we're gonna go G, F sharp over G, and actually G, F sharp over D, and then C, B over A minor, 2, 3, 4, B minor, and D. Okay, so this is very similar to the main verses. The only difference here is the intro is when they go to the G over F sharp, and then C, B, A minor. Okay, let's do that intro. 3, 4, A minor, F sharp, E minor, G major, A minor, F major, E minor, G, A minor, F sharp, G, F sharp, C, B, A minor, B minor. Okay, it's a lot of switching, so write it down. And now we're into the first verse. A minor, same thing, F sharp, E minor, G, A minor, F, E minor, G, A minor, F sharp, G, C, B over A minor. See the difference there? B minor, D. Back to A minor, same stuff around. A minor, F sharp, G, C, B, A minor, B, and D. And then it's going to take us to the chorus. That's C major, D major, G major, F sharp major. That's so cool. C again, D, G major, F sharp major. This time it's going to be different third time. C, D major, G, B minor, C, B minor, play that one more time. It's going to be different. See there? And then take us out with B minor to D. Back to verse. to get to the outro, here we're gonna go. C, B over A, A minor, G, B minor, D, and that's gonna be the outro there. So let's do that last chorus. Outro, we got B minor, D, G, D, G, D, E major. Here's my main strumming. So let's go over the main parts really quick again. Let's talk about it. We got intro that is very close to the main verses. Okay, A minor, F sharp over D, E minor, G. A minor, F sharp, A minor second time, F major, E minor, G. A minor, F sharp of D, G, and then walk down to A minor, and then B minor to D. It's 2 times, and then it's going to go to the breakdown, which is C, D, G, F sharp, C, D, G, F sharp, C, D, G, B minor, C, B, D. That's the first time. Second time it goes C, B, A, G, B minor, D. Yeah, so that's those parts, and then we have the outro, which is simple. Just B minor, D, G, D, G, D, E major. Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Awesome tune. I'll be back tomorrow with more songs, like always. Stay safe and see you soon. Thank you.